Sorry, so we can join again. Internet having a bit problem.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, please.
I would like to you show your work for them, please. How we do it. On question.
ก็อยากทำเอง
Do you understand?
Yes, again, please.
I would like you show your work for them.
Okay, about the previous page, right?
ที่จะทำวิธีทำแต่ละอย่างวนเองเนี่ย
Okay, let's start to teach.
Okay, all right, let's start.
Okay.
Okay, students, now you can write the answers, the questions here already shown to you.
Okay. อ้าว เธอไม่ได้แหละโอเคใช่มีจบเลย
Already done, students?
Yeah. Already lie down.
Okay, already write down. Okay, now if any students didn't write yet, so please you can check the link later on and rewrite again. Okay. Okay, now we have some more problem here. The previous problem, what we have, we find the question and then we perform addition and then give the answer. Okay. So now what we have to do here, we have to find the question from the problem, the information given to us, and then solve the problem, give the answer. Okay, students, so here we have to do subtraction. Subtraction is required here. Okay, now, so question number 1. The students council, yeah. So the student council reserves 500 tickets this year student concert for alumni. Okay, one information we have, the student council reserved 500 tickets for this year concerts for alumni. Okay, second information we have 300 tickets have already been distributed. Okay, so we have two information here, students. First information we have total 500 tickets were reserved for this year concert for alumni. Second information we have 350 tickets have already been distributed. So what question we can make in here, students? Can anybody tell me?
How many? I know. Subtract.
Yes, please. You can have your question.
150.
Yes, 150 is the subtraction, but what question we can make? So we can make simple question according to the subtraction. The question we can make, how many tickets have not been distributed? Like we can see here, we have total 500 tickets and 350 tickets already distributed. So the question, what we don't have here, then we can make that is how many tickets have not been distributed. Now, if we solve the problem using subtraction, so what we're gonna do, students? From 500 tickets, we will subtract 350 tickets. So how many tickets we will have remain?
150.
Exactly. That is the correct answer. We will have 150 tickets have not been distributed. Okay, students, so just focus on the information. First information, we have 500 tickets altogether, right? For the students concert, and 350 is already been distributed. Okay, so the question we can have, how many tickets have not been distributed? Second, the answer, we will do subtraction. So for 500, we subtract 350, we will have the answer 150. So 150 tickets have not been distributed. Okay, now let's move to the other problem. This is also we have to solve. With which required subtraction. Okay, now a customer order 700 packets of lens seasoning powder. Okay, now this is one information. Second, farm-owned group association has manufactured 475 packets. So we have two information here. One information is customer order 750 packets of lens seasoning powder. That's one information. Second information, what we have, Farm Women Group Association had manufactured 475 packets. So what question we can make here, students?
How many?
Yes.
Packet?
Yeah.
Did the farm has?
Right. So we can have the question here. Very simple. How many packets of lime seasoning powder does the group need to manufacture to reach customer demand? We can see here customer order 700. Okay. And the manufacturing association make 475 packs. So that means the manufactured packets, they are not enough towards the customer order. So how many packets the manufacturing company, the manufacturer, they required to reach customer demand? Now here we are going to do subtraction. So 700 packets, we subtract
275.
475. So we have the association manufacturer need how many packets more?
275.
225. That is the correct answer. The group needs to manufacture 225 more packets of lamb seasoning powder to reach the customer demand. Okay, so just focus on the two things, the both information here. First information is order from the customer 700 packet of lamb seasoning powder. Second information is the group association has manufactured 475 packets, so which is already short order, right? So the question can make be how many more packets of lamb seasoning powder does the group need to manufacture to reach the customer demand? And then we perform the subtraction. From 700 we subtract 475. So that means 225 more packets of lamb seasoning the manufacturing group required to reach the customer demand. Okay, students, you already write down?
Oh, I don't finish. It's super, yeah.
Students,
How many?
you can see on video clip.
Okay,
Teacher
students,
next.
you can later
แต่
on
ก็
you
ย่อ
can,
หน้าขอไข่มา
you
ได้
can see on the video link. Okay, students, so we can continue. Okay, now here we having complete the problem, solve each problem. So we have the information here. Number one, question number one. That is 185 centimeter tall. Okay, this is the first information we have given. That is 185 centimeters tall. Now we should to find the second information here. Okay, students. Now look at the question. What is the question asking from us? Question is, how much taller dad is compared to mom? Okay, so we have information given to us that is 185 centimeter tall. Then the question we have, how much taller is dad compared to mom? So what we will have the question here, the second information, students. The second information we can have here, that is mom is, for example, here we can write mom is 168 centimeter tall. So we can see the first information is dad is taller, right? So mom, she had to be shorter than the dad. So for example, mom is 168 centimeter tall. Now, if we compare both, we have to find the answer. So the answer will be, we subtract the dad's centimeter, 185 centimeter, we subtract 168. So we will have 17 centimeter difference. So the answer we should to have, dad is 17 centimeter taller than mom. Okay. Now, problem number 2. Information given to us, that is last week 2,500 baht was collected from a donation box. Okay, then we don't have the second information, but we have the question here. So now let's see the question. Question is, what is the total amount collected from the donation box for the 2 weeks? So let's say, for example, we having the first information, last week 2,500 baht was collected from the donation box. So we have information about last week, and then the question they are asking from us, that is the total donation in 2 weeks. So we should to have second information. This week, for example, this week 4,130 baht was collected from the donation box. So what we have to do now, we already find out the second information and we do addition to solve the problem. So if we add 2,500 and 4,130 by adding last week and this week donation, both week donation we add. So we will have the answer for the question. So the question is the total collection of donation for 2 weeks. So week 1 plus week 2 we will add, and we will have total 6,630 baht. So the answer is the total amount collected from the donation box for 2 weeks is 6,630. Okay, students, you understand that? How to get the information?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, very good.
I want to come in back.
Okay, students,
Nga
now.
và tài có ghe tăng tuổi là có gà không tự.
Okay, students, now here you can see on the picture. Okay, we have to use the picture provide to formulate one addition word problem and one subtraction word problem. Solve each problem. So we can see the pictures. Picture 1, we having picture 1, right? Picture 2, picture 3. So we have to look to these 3 pictures and then make the word problem and then solve it. So for example, one we have to do addition, second one we have to do subtraction. Okay, so for example, one word of addition, how we can do, you can see here, Jade bought an electric kettle for 589 baht and a rice cooker for 390 baht. Now the question is, how much do the 2 appliances cost? So we can see on the picture we having a kettle price 589 baht and a rice cooker 340 49 baht. And the third one is 1000 baht banknote. Okay, so the first problem, if you like to make of addition, so what we're gonna do, we can make the problem like a jailbird and electric kettle. One electric kettle for 589 baht and a rice cooker for 349 baht. So what we have to do, the question we can make, how much do the two appliances cost? So we can perform addition by making the question how much both of them together ask. So what we have to do, we have to add the cost of electric kettle and rice cooker, and then we will have the answer. So the answer is the two appliances cost 938 baht. So this is one word problem we make for addition. Now, from the same picture, we can make one problem of subtraction. So what kind of word problem we can make? We can make very simple. We having 1000 baht banknote, right? So let's make a word problem that can be, Joyce gives a 1000 baht note to the shopkeeper to buy a 349 baht rice cooker. So we already have the word problem that any person, Joyce gives 1000 baht to, banknote to the shopkeeper, okay, and he buy one rice cooker. So now from this information, what we can make a question? So we can make question, how much change will she receive? Like she already give 1000 baht and buy a rice cooker for 349 baht. So the question we can have, that is how much change she will receive. Okay, now if we subtract 349 from 1000 baht, how much baht we will have remaining, students? Students, from 1000 baht we subtract 349 baht. How much baht will be the remaining amount?
751.
Right here, exactly. So the answer is she will receive 651 baht. So the question we make here, how much change will she receive? So the answer is she will receive 651 baht. Okay, students, you understand that? All right. Now let's have a little bit skill development. All right. So here what we have to do, students, we have to we have the numbers given to us and we having the answers. So in between we have to put either plus, either minus, so we can have the correct answer. Okay. So like for example, write plus or minus between numbers to make the sentence true. Okay, students. Now, question number 1. We have number given to us 15, 10, and 9, and is equal to 14. So where we gonna put plus or minus?
Minus.
Students,
Minus.
we will use 10 minus 15 minus 10.
15 minus 10 plus 9.
Exactly, 15 minus 10 is equal to 5, and then plus 9 is equal to 9. That is the correct answer, right? So now number 2, we have number given 12, 10, and 7 is equal to 29. So 12 plus or minus? Plus, right. And 12 plus 10, 22. Plus 7 is equal to 29. Very good. Now, question number 3. We have number 13, 6, and 7 is equal to 0. What we gonna use?
Minus.
13
Minus.
minus 6 is equal to 7. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Very good. Now, number 4. We have 19, 16, 2 is equal to 1.
Minus,
What?
minus.
Very
Minus,
good.
minus.
19 minus 16 become 3.
Minus.
Minus 2 become 1. Number 5, 22, 22,
Minus.
15.
Minus and plus.
Exactly. 22 minus 22 becomes 0. Plus 15 is equal to 15. Number 6. 16, 14, 16. Answer is 14.
Plus and minus.
Exactly. 16 minus 14 is equal to 2. Right? 16 plus 14 is equal to 30. 30 minus 16 is equal to 14. That is the correct answer. Now, next we have numbers. We have to write greater or lesser. You can see, you remember the sign of greater than or less than or equal to make sentence true. Now, we have here 15 plus 24, and other side we have 58 plus 24. Another side we have 57 plus 25. So it's greater or lesser or equal. Number 1.
Is
58 plus 24 become how much? 82, right?